Hi, this is Jennifer Huber from jenniferhuber.com and solotravelgirl.com, and this video I'm going to share something pretty cool that I recently did, and that was kayak alongside giraffes at the Brevard Zoo, located in Melbourne, Florida, which is also known as Florida's Space Coast. And I don't know, this was just really awesome. In a way, it was kind of like the real version of the Jungle Cruise, because the animals that you're seeing are actually alive in the flesh. In addition to giraffes, we saw things like camels, impalas, lemurs, and other wildlife. It was just really amazing. I'm also told that this is the only zoo in North America where you can kayak alongside the wildlife. So enjoy this video, which was shot with my GoPro Hero3 with a head mount. I'm sitting in the back of a kayak, so I don't have a front row seat, so to say, but you'll still get the idea, and you'll see some giraffes that I saw. So thanks for watching. Here you go.
We're not going to get hooked. We won't be the hashtag. Oh, they look curious. Aw, I think he wants to come play. Hi. How cool. Aw. Oh my goodness. I guess, if you want to take pictures, go ahead. Free your hands. Aww. Oh my gosh. Aww. Hi. Oh my gosh, that was so cool.